The life of Albert Einstein, the genius who changed the world.
Albert Einstein, one of the greatest minds of all time. From his groundbreaking theories to his complex personal life, Einstein's story is as fascinating as his ideas. Albert Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Ulm, Germany. He wasn't an instant prodigy. In fact, young Albert didn't speak until he was nearly 3 years old, worrying his parents. But behind the silence was a mind always thinking, always questioning. When his father showed him a compass at the age of 5, young Einstein became obsessed with the invisible forces that moved the needle. That simple object sparked his lifelong curiosity about the hidden laws of nature. As a student, Einstein was more interested in self-study than the rigid structures of the traditional classroom. His teachers thought he was lazy and inattentive, but Albert's imagination was far beyond the confines of their curriculum. He eventually dropped out of high school at 16 but pursued an unconventional path to education by self-teaching and later enrolling at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich. Einstein's personal life was just as unconventional as his academic journey. In 1903, Einstein married his first wife, Mileva Maric, a fellow physicist whom he met at the Polytechnic. Together, they had two sons, Hans Albert and Eduard, and a daughter, Liesel, whose fate remains a mystery. Mileva supported Einstein during the early stages of his career, but their marriage faced many difficulties. They eventually divorced in 1919. Soon after his divorce, Einstein married his cousin, Elsa. Despite his fame and professional success, Einstein's family life remained complicated. After graduation, Einstein found an academic job. In 1902, he got a job at Swiss Patent Office, where he would review patent applications during the day and work on his physics theories at night. Einstein wasn't done yet. In 1915, he published his theory of general relativity, which explained how gravity isn't a force between objects but rather a warping of space and time caused by massive objects. Einstein's theory was revolutionary. It predicted phenomena like the bending of light by gravity, which was confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919. Overnight, Einstein became a global scientific celebrity. 1905 is known as Einstein's miracle year. He published 4 groundbreaking papers that changed science. One of these papers introduced his famous equation, E is equal to mc superscript 2. This idea would later become crucial in understanding nuclear energy. In 1921, Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics, but not for relativity. Instead, it was for his explanation of the photoelectric effect, which proved that light could behave as both a wave and a particle. His work reshaped physics. With the rise of Adolf Hitler in the 1930s, Einstein, who was Jewish, fled Germany and moved to the United States. Einstein became not just a scientist, but an outspoken advocate for civil rights and peace and harmony. In 1939, with the threat of Nazi Germany developing nuclear weapons, Einstein signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, urging him to accelerate atomic research. This letter indirectly led to the creation of the Manhattan Project, which developed the first atomic bombs. Though Einstein was not directly involved in building the bomb, he later regretted his role in urging its development. In his later years, Einstein continued to work on physics. Einstein's personal life was as complex as his theories. His 2 marriages, his children, and his personal struggles showed that even the greatest minds face challenges in their relationships and daily lives. As Einstein once said, imagination is more important than knowledge. For knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world. Thank you for joining us in exploring the extraordinary life of Albert Einstein. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, dash.